glasses holder. Now I'm going to put sunglasses on him. And now my glasses. Oh, my eyes are tired. I've been looking at a screen for too long. Time for a screen break. Your eyes need to rest to stay happy and healthy. Yes, you're right. I really have to take a rest. This is so comfy and relaxing.
Oh no!
Let's make this awesome DIY glasses holder to keep you feeling safe. It's time to challenge the minions with a hula hoop! What would happen if we take the hula hoop away? Whoa! It spun very fast and made a big hole in the world! Now let me teach you how to be a great hula hoop master! Keyboard fidget is the most satisfying thing I've ever made. Listen to the sound. It's the perfect way to keep my fingers busy. I love the sound. It's so satisfying. Hey, wait! What's going on with my finger? Let me show you how to make a satisfying keyboard. Don't worry, it won't hurt your fingers. Chocolate, bad for hair.
Oh no!
Cookies, bad for muscle. Donut, makes you fat. Carrot, helps hair with vitamin A.
Yes!
Egg, build muscle with protein. Let me show you how to make this fun paper craft. Sword, club. This is the easiest way to eat ice cream. And let me show you how to make this paper toy. These footprints, who do you think they belong to? Very suspicious. It's way too big to be our friend, Gary. It's definitely not Flash. Look, this hand matches perfectly. Wow, it's Dogman. Is he on a secret mission? Now let me show you how to do this easy fun craft. Chili! Super spicy! I need milk! Fast! Lemon! Sour! Coffee! Bitter! Definitely not for kids! Candy! Yummy! And everyone loves it! We'll show you how to make this paper craft! Check out my awesome new power! Hey Jake! Can you turn a paper craft into a real thing? No problem. Let me try. What is this? Is this a paper wallet with fake money? I just turned it into a real wallet. Yes! Wear it! Let's go buy some more. Wait! Jake! Don't forget to close the door! Wah! Oh no! We're in big trouble. Wah! Toilet paper go? Randy, bring that back! That toilet paper's not for painting the wall! I supposed to finish painting your wall? Don't worry, I have a genius idea. Let me show you how to make a paint roll with a clip and a marshmallow. Happy, angry, and happy again. How does he change the mood so fast? Let's have a whack reveal this secret trick. Now I will show you how to do this with everyday style. What are Randy and Wack doing here? Oh, it's a bookmark. Best friends forever. I like it. Wow! What? We combine into one? This is awesome! Let me show you how to make this bookmark for your very best friend. Let's help a Wack trim his hair. Achoo! That sneeze messed up the whole look. We have to help a Wack fix his hair. His new hairstyle is so cool. I love it. Look at this. I want to push it. Don't be silly. That's the doom button. Just a little touch. This is so satisfying. No! Yeah! Run! Okay, time to make this awesome fidget. Don't worry, ours won't explode. Try this secret trick to beat it. This is so cool, Randy. How do you do it? Wait, what is that on your back? Rod and Kevin are doing all the hard work for you. This will be so much fun. Wow! And we will show you how to make this trick for real. It's super fun and easy.